Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we're going to do one of the most basic, easy DIY home improvement projects. We're putting in the eufy FamiLock E40 smart door lock. The only tool I'm going to be using is this screwdriver. Look at that. The eufy FamiLock E40 is specifically designed for doors in the US. All you have to do is take out your old existing deadbolt, push in the deadbolt, then you attach the keypad to the backing plate that goes on the inside. 2 screws hold it in place. There are 2 wire connections that come through the door from the outside unit. One plugs into here, one plugs into there. They easily pass through this plate here. Let's get this right there. Perfect. So easy. Now there's 4 small screws you put in and pop the battery in and you can start programming. Okay guys, the door is locked. I am about 10 feet away and I'm just going to walk up to it. Little red light kicks on. Look at that, it was fast. So the first thing that happens is there's a red light that kicks on. The number keypad lights up and then about instantly it unlocks. Now to lock it, I have it set up to automatically lock 30 seconds after the door is closed. But if you want a confirmation, you just hit this little and it is now locked. Look at that, I just looked over at it and it instantly recognized my face and opened. Lock it again. I'm covering up my face and I'm going to use my thumbprint. See how that works? Works every time. Looked over at it and it instantly recognized my face and opened. Now I'm going to lock it again. I'm covering up my face and I'm going to use my thumbprint. See how that works? Okay guys, we're testing this out in the dark. Works pretty good in the dark. See those IR lights lighting up? Automatically locks. Let's try it again. Just gonna move the camera down. Man, that's fast. I had the camera up in front of my face blocking it. As soon as I moved it down, boom, let me in. So I've done several different tests during the daytime, during the nighttime, different lighting conditions, and the 3D facial recognition works every single time. It's the same technology that most smartphones use. Obviously, it's got a built-in camera. It can see who's at the front door. Jesus, there goes the neighborhood. Better duck. Another thing that I really like about this specific smart lock and doorbell, it incorporates all the same features as eufy's security cameras. One of my favorite features that I've used on a lot of my eufy security cameras is the alarm. Sound only, confirmed. And right now, there's an alarm going off at the front door. So if you want to set the alarm off on somebody, you can do that. You got some weirdo at your door, you just hit that alarm button on your phone and scare them off. You get recordings of them. As you can tell, this is a very dangerous neighborhood. Get all sorts of weirdos around. It's great for getting deliveries and easily talk to them through the eufy FamiLock E40 and say, hey, I'm on my way home. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Is there any way you could come back?
Leave the package at the door and get on out of here. You hear me? Scram. Call the police.
It's also great if you got a pet sitter or you got someone coming over to water your plants. You can easily remotely let them in and out. You know when they go in, you know when they go out. This is a standalone lock. You don't need the home base for it to work right. It has Matter fully integrated into it, so it'll connect to your Google Home, it'll connect to Alexa, it'll even connect to the Apple HomeKit. Some people might not want to use facial recognition. You don't have to use facial recognition. And if your thumbprint doesn't work, you can easily punch in a code. And you even have a physical backup key for peace of mind. You're never going to get locked out. You got a key if you need to use it. The eufy FamiLock E40 is available exclusively at Home Depot. You can get it in person or you can order it online at homedepot.com. I'll put the direct link down in the description along with a very exclusive handyman discount code. So you can grab one for your own front door or back door or garage door or side door. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you made the upgrade? What do you think of the facial recognition feature? And keep in mind, this is the same technology that we use to get into our modern smartphones. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next project.